What's up everyone? Amazon recently came out with the FBA updates coming for 2019 in Japan, so this video I'll just let you know what to expect. Okay, so there's been changes to the fulfillment fees, monthly storage fees, and the long-term storage fees. So first of all, if you are completely new to Amazon, I'll just quickly explain what each one is. They're pretty self-explanatory, but so fulfillment fees is basically what they charge you to pack and ship your units, to your customers, right? And then your monthly storage fees, obviously, each month the longer you keep your units in their fulfillment centers, they will charge you for those storage fees each month. And last is long-term storage fees. So in the past, if your units, your inventory went there from 6 to 12 months, you would get hit with a long-term storage fee. And then from like 365 days to another half year, you'd be hit with another long-term storage fees if you had your units in there for that amount of time as well. Alright, so first off, let's just go into fulfillment fees. Okay, so they have aligned it with the industry standards now, the dimensions. So in the past, just a quick overview, so there was one small size, one standard size, and about 4 oversized tiers, right? But and also for high value, if your item was worth over 45,000 yen, you didn't have to pay for fulfillment fees; they were free. But now, coming in from the 21st of February, so it's a bit more, there's a few more options, I guess you could say. So there's one small, and then there's 4 standard sizes that are now coming out, and 8 oversized sizes as well. So you just have to be more careful, with your product size and your weights. So otherwise you could end up paying, more if you're not careful. Alright, and monthly storage fees. In the past, okay, so there was the fees from January to September, which is 7.8 Japanese yen, and October to December, which went up to 9 Japanese yen. But now what they're going to do from February 1st is they're going to be splitting it up. So there's going to be this small standard, what do you call it, division or whatever, and then there's going to be the oversize as well. So they're splitting them up into two groups. But you can see that they're actually dropping the price. So small standards going down to 5.07 Japanese yen, and oversized going down to 4.29. And so this one's small standard staying the same rate of 9, but your oversized will be dropping down to 7.6. Alright, and long-term storage fees, which is probably the biggest change update. Alright, so like I said earlier, in the past, so twice a year, they would do these inventory cleanup dates. And if your products have been in there from basically 6 to 12 months, you'd have to pay this long-term storage fee. And then from 12 months or more, you'd be paying one as well. And it's not very nice. It's happened to us before. It does sting if you're not really controlling your inventory right, or if you've got some slow movers and things like that. So make sure that your inventory is cycling at a nice rate. But anyway, so that is going to be changed from now, from February 15th. And so instead of these twice a year long-term storage fees, that's going to be every month, once your inventory has been on the fulfillment centers for over 365 days. Okay, so as it says here, for the next inventory cleanup date, which is February 15th, only units that have been in fulfillment centers for more than 365 days will be charged the current long-term storage fee. So then starting from August 15th, long-term storage fees will be assessed monthly rather than twice annually. So it's good. It is good. If you're good with your inventory and you're cycling quickly, it doesn't apply to you. But it does, yeah, really give you more opportunity to sell up to a year, to keep your inventory in there for a year. But you've still got to remember that you are paying those monthly fees anyway, so you do still want to be able to, cycle your inventory in and out, as quick as possible, really. But it is a good thing. All right, and that's it. So yeah, if you are already selling, say, on the US markets or other markets, I'm pretty sure the fee updates are a little bit different for those markets. So hopefully this, helped you understand what's going on in Japan. And if you, are new to selling on Amazon, yeah, this helped you kind of realize, kind of a bit more about how the fees work and how much to kind of expect to pay. All right, see you in another video.